Good day everyone, this is Morning Batanes once again. Today we are going to make the classic Braso de Mercedes. So here are our ingredients. This is for our meringue and for the filling. So as usual, the recipe will be written on the description box below. First, let's start with our meringue. I add half a teaspoon of lemon juice as stabilizer. You can use cream of tartar. And then start beating the egg whites until it reaches the foamy stage. Once you reach that, you can then add the sugar gradually so it has time to dissolve faster. And once you finish adding the sugar, you can then add your corn flour. And then your vanilla. So we're going to beat the egg whites on low speed so it doesn't form huge bubbles. We will beat it until it reaches the soft peak stage. So why we don't like big bubbles in our meringue? Because it deflates really fast once your meringue is cooked. So we want it to have small bubbles so that it can hold its shape longer when it's done. So this one is ready for baking. We're just going to put it on a baking sheet. We're going to level it as much as we can. And then after that, I use a fork to make a design on top of the meringue. You can leave it as is. We are going to bake it on a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. And then while we are baking that, let's make the filling. So we're just going to put everything in a pot, cook it over low heat. Now you want to keep an eye on your filling. You want to keep stirring it until it's done so it doesn't burn at the bottom. And once you reach that consistency, we stop cooking and we set it aside for later use. Now we're going to prepare the tea towel, and I'm using baking sheet on top of the tea towel. I sprinkled some corn flour and icing sugar so the meringue doesn't stick on the baking sheet. Now here you will see that once I lift the baking paper, it kind of sticks to the meringue because I forgot to grease my baking sheet. So don't forget to put some oil on your baking sheet so it doesn't stick. And so now we're going to put the filling. Let's just put it on the other end, and then we are going to roll it slowly. You can use a piping bag to put your filling inside if you want it to have an even distribution. And now let's start rolling. Carefully. So as you can see, while I'm rolling it, I'm pulling away the baking sheet so it doesn't get stuck inside after. And then we're going to wrap it with a tea towel and leave it for at least 15 minutes. And after that, it's ready for cutting. So while I am unwrapping the Braso de Mercedes, I want to thank you all for joining me once again. I hope to see you on my next videos, and I hope you'll try to make this at home and let me know how it goes. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment on the comment section below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So would you look at that? It's beautiful. And it smells amazing. And it tastes delicious. So that's it. I hope you had fun watching. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.